You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me.
Good morning and welcome to day 3 of the 30-day fitness challenge. Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know what's going on, I just started a free 30-day challenge. It is not too late to join in, so if you want some motivation with your workouts, I highly suggest you join the free Facebook group. It's called Fit Queen Team. That's where you're going to get accountability, motivation, and I'm going to be giving out prizes throughout the challenge, so make sure you join. So before you do this workout, make sure you do the warm-up, okay? So if you haven't done that, go do the warm-up and come back. And let's get started. Today's going to be an upper body workout. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to be using 2 different sizes of dumbbells. I'm going to be using 15-pound and a 10-pound set. Okay, so if you don't have multiple different sizes, that's fine. Just use whatever you have. You can also use kettlebells or even just body weight. You know, if you don't have the dumbbells or whatever, you can use resistance bands as well. So let's get started. So I like to start all my workouts with 1 minute of some heart pumping cardio. So let's go. High knees. Get those knees up. You want those knees coming above your hips. Let's go. Keep going. 10 more seconds of high knees. All right, we're going right into some jumping jack. All right, let's go. Now, if you can't do jumping jacks, that's fine. This is a modified version of jumping jacks. Let's go. Keep going. All right, for the last 10 seconds, we got some jump squats. So we're gonna touch the ground. Jump. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so first exercise, we're gonna be bent over rows. So I'm gonna grab my 15-pound dumbbells. You're gonna lean forward slightly. You're gonna pull those weights right up to your back, squeeze in the back. Ready? Let's go. Make sure your elbows are going back, okay? You don't want your elbows going out to the side. Go back and squeeze the back. This is a slow and controlled move. It is not a race. Let's go, ladies. 5 seconds. Squeeze that back. Woo. And 15-second break. All right, next exercise is gonna be curl to press. All right, so I'm gonna go down to my 10-pound dumbbells, okay? We're gonna do a curl, and then we're gonna press, then we're gonna come back down. Ready? Let's go. Curl, press, and down. Curl, press, and down. This is working your biceps and your shoulders. Nice and controlled. We're not throwing the weight around. We're controlling that weight. 5 seconds. And break. Woo! Next exercise is gonna be upright rows. So you're gonna stand up straight. We wanna pull the weights up to your shoulders, then back down. Starting in 2 seconds. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Up and down. Slow and controlled. We're working those shoulders. You got this, ladies. I know as women, sometimes we neglect our upper body, but not anymore. We're gonna have nice toned arms, a nice slim back, a strong core. Whew. And rest. Whew. Good job, ladies. All right, next we're gonna be push-ups. I know we don't like push-ups, but that's okay. So if you can do regular push-ups, do the regular ones. If not, do them on your knees. Okay? Ready? Now I'm gonna show you how to do it on your knees. So if you do it on your knees, you wanna bring your core in, okay? You don't wanna be up here. That's not doing anything. Bring that core in, core tight. Hands right under your shoulders. You're gonna go down and up. Okay, now, if you want to get better at push-ups, you can go all the way to the ground and then push yourself up. Okay, so if you find yourself not being able to go any lower, just let yourself fall down slow and then push yourself back up. All right. That was the end of that round, okay? Now we're gonna do that whole set 2 more times, all right? So we got a 45-second break. Grab some water, shake it out. We're gonna start with those rows. Whew. All right. Let me get a sip of water. All right, we're gonna start with those rows. Now remember, for your back, you can go heavier than your arms. Than your arms. So if you are using like 5-10 pounds for your dumbbell, for your curls, you can probably go up a little bit higher for your back, all right? 30 seconds, bent over rows, let's go. Back straight and squeeze, and squeeze. All right, we're working on those back muscles, ladies. This is how you get rid of those back rolls and get a nice slim back. And if you want to make your waist look smaller, a really cool trick is to build your back, because the wider your back is, the smaller your waist. All right, great. Woo. Break time. All right, curl to press. I'm gonna try my curl to press with the 15 pounds. I'm probably gonna regret it, but let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're gonna curl, press, and down. Woo. I want you to challenge yourself. If you feel like you can go heavier, go heavier. You can always go back down. Once you get tired or fatigued, you know, when I'm working out by myself, I usually start heavier than normal. And then when I feel my body getting a little fatigued and my form is getting compromised, then I just drop the weight a couple pounds. No biggie. All right, great. That wasn't so bad. That 15 pounds wasn't so bad. Now, I usually go heavier than that, but for the purposes of the video, I don't want to be like really killing myself and about to die. Because usually when I work out, I'm about to die. Anyway, upright rows, grab those 15-pound dumbbells or whatever pound you're using and pull it up to your shoulders. Okay. Make sure that when you come up, this is the end position, and then you go back down. Working those shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. All right, next. We got some push-ups. Back up push-ups. So now you know how to do the push-up the correct way. Let's go. 30 seconds. And let's go. Now, I'm not the greatest at push-ups, okay? So I might have to go down to my knees once I get fatigued, but that's fine. Woo, 10 seconds. All right, ladies, we got one more set. One more set. Grab you some water. Whew. This is the last set. So, give it all you got. Last set to go. So if you've been holding back, now you can give it all you got, because after this, we're done. So, grab your heavy weight. Now grab my 15-pound set. Whew. Starting at 5 seconds, ladies. So, make sure your feet are about right on your shoulders. You're gonna lean forward. And let's go. So squeeze, okay? Make sure you're squeezing your back. So, because a lot of times, people try to use their arms for this. So this is not an arm workout, this is a back workout. So make sure that you're pulling your weights, keeping your elbows in, and you're squeezing your back. Make sure also, you see how my head is up like this? You don't want that. You want your head kind of neutral. Whew, all right, break. All right, we're doing curl to press. I'll keep my 15-pound dumbbells. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Curl, press, and then down. Woo, you got this, ladies. I know that weight is heavy. I know that you're tired, but guess what? That is the only way to get better, is you have to challenge yourself. You cannot use 5-pound dumbbells forever and think you're gonna get toned. It's not gonna happen. You gotta swallow that fear and go up in that weight. All right, break. Woo, all right, upright rows. Starting in 5 seconds. If you need to pause and catch your breath throughout the video, that is fine. Let's go, upright row. Squeeze those shoulders. Back is straight. We're gonna have some nice toned shoulders, ladies. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Oh Lord. All right, ladies. Push-ups. Push-ups. Let's go. Remember what I said, you can go down to your knees if you need to, but if you can do it regular, get on those toes. Let's go. Keep going, ladies. You got this. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right. Okay, ladies. You have completed day 3 upper body workout. So, if you're feeling a little bit energized, you can go ahead and do this workout again 2-3 times. Also, make sure you do the cool down video. You have to stretch after your workouts. If you're not stretching, trust me, you're gonna feel it later on, okay, ladies? So if you haven't joined the Facebook group, join in the Facebook group. That is where you're gonna get that accountability. You're gonna get motivation from hundreds of other women. Also, prizes are gonna be throughout the challenge, but you have to join the Facebook group. Whew, all right, ladies, I'll see you for day 4. Bye.
I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to